Well, I guess there's only one thing I can say. I've been stuck in a time machine for the past 6 months, and that's what I was working on, and I just got out now, and I'm in the future. That's what I'm going with. Okay, so here's the thing. I have a bunch of drill bits, and I have this old drill bit holder. Recently, I've been using it as a scrap piece of wood to drill through, and it looks really ugly. My drill bits keep falling out of it, and I have more drill bits now, so I want to try to create a solution. I don't know if I'm going to be getting more drill bits soon, so I want this kind of to be temporary, and I want to make it as cheap as possible. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. Hopefully we can reach 1,000 soon. Also, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe down below.